Hello, welcome back to Alex's Cocktail Club. I'm Alex and this is Cocktail Club. Tonight we're going to do some mocktails. You know, you don't always want a drink. Maybe you want just something a bit interesting without any booze in it. So we're going to make something that's like hopefully quite interesting. We're going to put some ginger beer in there for a bit of fire. We're going to have some kombucha for a bit of that weird funk, that kind of vinegary, what is this? Vinegary pink grapefruit thing. Let's have a little. That is sharp. I've come up with a sort of an idea of what I'm going to do, and then we'll see. I'm going to start with ice, not loads. That'll do. So we're going to have kombucha as the main player, so we'll do 3 of kombucha and a little bit for the table. 1 measure of pineapple and 1 measure of ginger beer. Oh. Weirdly edging towards being a margarita. I'm gonna put the lime in because, well, what do you put in a margarita? 2/3 of a measure of lime. I'll put some salt in it. Bit of a lime wedge because, well, that's what we're doing there, isn't it? Oh my god. That was great. Oh, I could have done with that at the start of this heat wave. Get the paddling pool out. You sit in the paddling pool, wet up a t-shirt, stick that on your head, get a few of these going. Maybe you've got a cooler outside, maybe you've got someone to send to the fridge. I don't know, but oh, you sit and drink this all afternoon. I was so skeptical of kombucha. As a drink on its own, I'm not on board. Like, if you want to make a drink feel interesting and feel a bit like bit of vinegary, funky weirdness, as like an addition. Oh. Alright, 10 out of 10. Would do again. Well, make something a bit fruity now, maybe something a bit like more the daiquiri end of things. Well, there's going to be a lot of strawberries in it. I'm going to make a strawberry syrup and then just add that to some stuff. It's just equal weights, it's 120, equal weights of water and sugar. And I thought maybe I should put less sugar in there because there's all the sugar that's in the strawberries. But then, no, the sugar in the strawberries is juice form sugar, so that's already, well, it's already dissolved, isn't it? So it's, well, we're still going to get the right syrupy consistency in my estimations anyway. I've done 120 grams of water and 120 grams of sugar, so I'd like it to be very strawberry-ly, so I'm going to do 200 grams of strawberries. I'm just quartering these guys and then throw them in. So you've got something like that. You just get your old potato masher, just give them a few squishes. Then we're going to get Ignatius, my new friend, and he's just going to heat that up until it's about 80 degrees, whatever. You just need to keep an eye on it, just don't let it boil. You maybe want to let it steep for 20 minutes or so. Oh, in the meantime, just enjoy the kombucha thing that you made earlier. Okay. Thank you, Ignatius. We've got a lovely hot syrup, and we're going to strain it into here. And all this strawberry mulch here, we're not going to squeeze it. If you press down on it or squeeze it, then you're going to get cloudy syrup, and there's nothing wrong with that. That's just not what we're doing today. We're having nice clear syrup. Let that cool down a bit.
Dumbass.
Yeah, you're going to wait patiently. Gonna have a bit of ooh-wee. Gonna have some 7-Up or Sprite, it doesn't matter. Gonna have a splash of lime juice. And we're gonna have, oh, I don't know. Let's start with a single, see where we get. Oh, we'll go a little bit more than that. That's really lovely. It's very refreshing. Get a bit of that in there so it looks the business. Well, it doesn't look anything, does it? Alright, try again. And that's lovely. Really refreshing, very sweet. We've made a syrup you can use for all sorts of things. You put that on pancakes, it's going to be delicious. Alright gang, that's it for this evening. That's 2 mocktails, pretty easy to make. If you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it, then you should like and subscribe. All the buttons down the bottom. It really helps me out, helps everyone find the videos, helps everyone make better cocktails. So cheers, mocktails. Cheers, see you later. It's a beautiful peachy pink looking drink.